Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe to the channel to receive more videos of tried and tested recipes and become a part of our community. To do so, click on the subscribe button below the video. Today I'd like to share with you my way of washing fruits and veggies to help get rid of pesticides that are present on the produce's surface. These pesticides are basically toxins that are sprayed on the produce to help enlargen them, maximize produce and keep away insects and pests, but they're also made from chemicals that are harmful to our health, and with time they have been known to cause many health problems such as lowering immunity, hormone imbalance and cancer. Unfortunately, we cannot get rid of pesticides 100% as they have become part of the seed, but what we can do is get rid of most of them by rinsing first with our water and white vinegar mixture. I have another video that discusses more about other ways that have been proven to get rid of the majority of pesticides, and they're also talking about their harmful effects, and I'll place the link to it at the bottom of this video. So by rinsing my produce with water and vinegar on a ratio of 3 tablespoons white vinegar per 1 liter of water for 15 minutes, then I'm going to rinse them away with water, wiping them dry and placing them in the fridge to be ready to eat. White vinegar has been scientifically proven to remove as many chemicals and pesticides, and it's convenient, widely available, and it's also cheap. There are some produce that have been sprayed with large amounts of pesticides than others, such as apples, potatoes, spinach and beetroot. These need to be soaked in water and vinegar for 20 minutes. They are known as the dirty dozen, as well as many other fruits and vegetables and berries. I will link the video description below talking about the dirty dozen and also labeling them. I will place a paper towel at the bottom of the produce after I've rinsed them, and this will help lengthen the lifespan and absorb the moisture, making them fresher for longer. We can also get organic produce if we want to avoid pesticides completely. These will be more expensive as they take extra care and caution, and the agricultural process needs to be supervised by the health department. And also it may not be readily available in your local grocer, and they require you to go to a specialty health food store. Yet they're more healthier, and if you can access them and afford them, then why not? Don't get me wrong, I'm not advocating against using organic produce. I use them myself whenever I can. Here in Finland, organic produce is widely available. We usually use it and we buy it from the Dirty Dozen, or when it's on sale and when we use it to make smoothies and juices. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it and want similar tips and tricks to better and healthier living made easy, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you in the comments box below. For now, stay safe and take care, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.